Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to fit these to the Helsdon Hammock spreader bars. That way we can take the spreader bars out and we can roll it up much smaller than when the bars are still in there. And so it's just a single there. They cost $2 at Bunnings. It's an M6 or 6mm thread. So we come up here.
Yay!
And then we get that. Come in, make sure you got me here. Okay, and I undo it. That's it, undo. There we go, so it's off.
Oh, my nearly fell.
And take this out. I put this through. Let's see if we get through this one, through the Velcro there, and through this one in here. I don't know if you can see that. Like so. And then we get the spreader bar, which is here, and we attach it. Make sure we don't cross thread.
You're going to go in again! No, Maxie, not yet. I can go.
Max, we're going to have to film this all over again. The buds are shot. So we do like that. And there we go. And then it just fits into here. And because of this, the way it is, it won't scratch or pull or tear. So it's good. That goes in like that. What it means is we can pull them out, make it much smaller, carry them separately, and away we go. I'm going to go and do the other side now.